What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make a full-time income from your smartphone or your laptop. All you need is Wi-Fi. Stick around to the end of this video to find out about this system that me and other members are using to generate 100% instant commissions. Guys, so if you don't know about affiliate marketing, basically is selling a digital product online that will allow you to generate a commission. But this particular affiliate program is different from a lot of programs. This program allows you to earn 100% commissions. Now, a lot of people, recently asked me, so how does the company get paid? At each level, we're gonna go down to the levels. At each level, there is either a hosting fee or a software fee. All right. So that's where the company get paid, with the software fees and the hosting fees at each level. And you earn 100% commission when you sell one of these products. Okay. So depending on whichever level you come in at, I really recommend coming in at the highest level that you can get started with, so you can earn some daily commissions. So the gold level and the platinum level comes as a package. All right, so you'll be eligible to earn $125 commissions. Okay, you earn $25 commissions if somebody buys your gold membership, and you earn $100 if somebody buys your platinum membership. So what do you get when you come in at the gold? You get 100 pre-ran ads. All right, so this is if you're brand new to marketing. This is if you're brand new to making money online. All right, and you don't know what to post. You can use these. All right, I use them every single day. You can switch them up, edit them, add pictures, videos. All you have to do is copy and paste. All right, and they will get you traffic and leads. You also get a Facebook group cheat sheet. If you don't know about Facebook groups, they are really effective, and all you have to do is, once again, take the pre-ran ads, post them in those groups, get people who ask for more information, and you can also take the scripts that's also inside of this system to close the sales. So basically, this whole system does the selling and the telling for you. All you have to do is set a few things up, and once you join me, I'll show you how to put everything on autopilot. Once again, this is a digital marketing program that allows you to earn 100% instant commissions. So as you can see, at each level, it comes with multiple training that shows you how to market effectively. So once you get up to the platinum level, you get Facebook marketing videos, YouTube marketing videos, Instagram. You get the ability to add up 12 banners to promote to your downline, which is very important, because you also get pass subs from your downline. So that's another way of earning passive income. You get the ability to add a third-party autoresponder. So if you have an Aweber GetResponse, you can add this to this system and use your leads. All right. You have the ability to add one. You have the ability to add one video to bring yourself to your downline. So when you become a member of $25 1UP, we show you how to market to a targeted audience and use the list building system to make consistent sales. And remember, these commissions go directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, your Zelle, whatever you decide to use. You will get paid instantly when somebody buys products. So the diamond level is my favorite level that I highly recommend that anybody thinking about joining this business should just come in at the diamond level. $250 commissions every single time somebody come in at this level, and you get the gold level and the platinum level for free. So to me, that's a steal, because now you're able to earn up to $375 per commission. Once again, all the gold level, the platinum level, you get list building one-on-one video courses. Just exactly what I was talking about earlier about list building. You have to know how to build a list, so you could put this system on autopilot and let your emails do all of the selling and telling for you, which you will learn how to do once you join me in business. I give you multiple training courses. When you come in, I give you additional training, and also when you come in at the diamond level, you get one-on-one hands-on training with me. I also give you 100 free leads at whatever level you decide to come in at. You also get 10K blueprint, You get how to run a t-shirt company. Recently just created my first t-shirt yesterday. I have to go pick it up. I also put it on a hat. This system gave me the idea just by using the course that was inside of this system. So you also get the ability to add your own sale video, which is connected to the sales funnel, and the ability to create a bridge page. So all of this, guys, is basically helping you learn how to market effectively online and how to brand yourself and become a better digital marketer. So once you get up to the platinum level, you are learning how to sell high ticket products, because anything over $100 is considered a high ticket products. And if you want to make money full time, guys, you have to at least make at least $500 a week. Okay, that's the minimum. But if you come in at the diamond level, you can make 2 sales in one day and make $500 in one day. So think about if you could do that for 3 to 5 days of the week. Okay, if you can do that, you could make a really good living just by coming in the diamond level. So imagine you doing whatever it is that you want to do. Your system is on autopilot. You are spending more time with your family, shopping more, vacation, and notifications will come directly to your phone letting you know that, hey, you just got paid. Do whatever you like. I like PayPal, and I also use Cash App. Those are my favorite. So the $500 level, enterprise level, you get multiple training and multiple resources as well with the elite level, where you earn $1,000 per commission. So this is really just digital marketing system allows you to position yourself to become financially free. So let me go over here to the funnel pages that $25 1UP has created for you. All right, let's go over here. Let's go to the capture pages, because if you haven't seen my recent videos, I went over, basically list building is the #1 key thing that you want to do when it comes to making money online. You're marketing to them, through the week, 1 to 3 times a week. They seeing your product over and over. There's a higher chance that they could buy your product. With these capture pages that $25 1UP has created, this allows them to put in their email, okay? And all of these, they put in their email, and what this does is build a list for you, and you get unlimited leads, okay? You can have unlimited leads. Unlike, Aweber or GetResponse, you have a certain amount of, contacts that you can have inside the system before you either have to pay more or you have to just start a new account. But this is unlimited. It sends out messages on autopilot. All you have to do is set it up, and we show you how to do that. If you like this content and you want to get started with $25 1UP, check out the link below. Check out the information. Go over everything and just get started at whatever level that you can come in at. And I will see you guys on the inside.